I'm a volunteer with the Butterfly Conservation in Cumbria, and it's a completely voluntary role. We do work nationwide, but in Cumbria, it's we've got the best county in England, in the UK, and I say that with pride because we've achieved so much in Cumbria, which other places haven't. I'll give you an example. In Cumbria, one of the UK's rarest species of butterfly became extinct in Cumbria in 2004. Extinct means gone, that's it. But we decided to do something about it because I came back to Cumbria to live. I used to work in London and all over the world. Born in Carlisle, I'm coming back to Carlisle. But when I came back here in the late 1990s and found out that the Marsh fertility butterfly was all but extinct and had become extinct in 2004, I was absolutely amazed. I said, well, who's doing something about it? And the answer was, well, nobody. It just happened. I said, right, we're going to form an action group. So it was extinct. We formed an action group to do something about it. And we prepare habitat. We got borrowed some species from Scotland. And I managed to find the very last 68 caterpillars near Penrith in 2004, late 2004, September 2004, and me and three other people. So we bred those 68 caterpillars with some from Scotland, and I raised with other people the caterpillars for 3 years in my back garden and other people's back gardens. And while in those 3 years, between 2004 and 2007, we prepared the habitat, got the habitat right. We known what they needed, and we got the habitat right while we were breeding the butterflies. And in those 3 years, breeding them in captivity, we raised over 120,000 caterpillars in our back gardens, and we released those 120,000. I kept a few thousand spare just in case. We released them over 4 pre-prepared sites in Cumbria, and now, marking time, we're in 2024. In 2000, well, let's say 2023, we're now in Cumbria got 33 confirmed breeding sites. So we're from none at all in 2004. By 2024, we've gone from none to 33 breeding sites. Is that success or not? To me, it matters. I don't do it, I'm a volunteer. I don't do it for money. I don't do it for publicity. To me, I do it because I care. Because we've now got more sites in Cumbria than anywhere else in England put together. And we're doing exactly the same thing with the Workington Nature Partnership in West Cumbria for a small blue butterfly. We're working on that as well. That was almost extinct a few years ago because of it breeds on brownfield sites, which are very much under threat from development. But we managed with the local council, which is now Cumberland Council, was Allerdale. We managed to get it as a priority species in West Cumbria to take account of in planning applications. And we're tied to, you can build something, but leave some habitat for the wildlife as well. And that works quite well. We've now managed to avoid extinction of small blue butterflies here. It was on the very verge when working nature partnership 10 years ago, just more than that. But now, because all the habitat work we've done in Maryport, Workington, Harrington, we've now got more small blues in West Cumbria than the rest of the UK put together as well. So what we're doing here by working on the habitat, getting the habitat right, getting the breeding sites right, it works. So all credit to the Workington Nature Partnership and people like me, the volunteers who care. And that word, little word care, is such an important word. And we do it for mainly priority species like this marsh butterfly, small blue, because they were extremely rare, in fact extinct as well. But we also prepare the habitat for other species of insects as well, not just butterflies, but moths, bees, hoverflies, birds as well. So when you prepare habitat, you got to do it just not for one species. You got to know what you're doing. So we look at the habitat before we work on it, make sure there's no fox reserves in a woodland, for instance, and of course we make sure there's no habitat there for natterjack toads. We must destroy those. We make sure what we do before we do it, and that's important as well, preparation as well. So as a volunteer, I'm proud of what we do, and I'm proud of all these people here as well, and we'll keep on doing it because we care.